guys, I'm usually a CPR man, catch, photograph, and release. But there's a time to eat as well.
Alright, hope everybody's doing well right now. Got those two small stock rainbow trout from Hanging Rock State Park I caught a couple months ago. And I've also got this big crappie I've caught at the High Rock Dam. And I had them thawing out, and while I'm doing that, one thing I like to do is I take some lemon or lime juice and I usually put it in a bag, put a few squirts in there. Add a little bit of water. We're gonna let that soak for about 10 or 15 minutes before we cook them. All right, now everybody uses it, put a little Old Bay seasoning on there. Alright team, it's been about 5 minutes. So this is an important step right here. When I flip them, that's when we're going to go ahead and put some butter in these trout. Put butter in that trout right there. Makes a big difference. Well, there went the butter, huh? Alright, so we got those buttered. Those nice and buttered in there. Put that on the crappie. Butter that up inside. All right, got everything turned off. I believe we're ready to go here. Look at that right there. Delicious. Alright, nice piece of crappie right here. Two little stock rainbow trout, been grilled, soaked in lemon juice for about 15 minutes, and then a little Old Bay. Put some butter on the insides. Stir it up. Alright, fresh off the grill. Let's try a piece of this rainbow trout out. Oh, it looks delicious. That's good fish right there, folks. Nice pinkish meat to it.